everybody, welcome to Acorn and Oak and another mixed media project. Today we're going to be doing this planked pumpkin. Now this is a planked pumpkin that I made myself. I used some old Poundland signs. They were just rectangles. I put them together, then drew a pumpkin shape, and then I've attached them using these pieces of wood here. I sanded the edges so they were nice and beveled. So this is something that I've made myself, and I've just given it a cover of gesso, and I've done some cogs and some oak leaves. Now I'm going to have a look through my stencils and see if there's a stencil that I would want to use. To give the background some interest. I was thinking this one here with the flowers. I think that's the one I'm going to use, and I'll be using the Pebeo Studio Acrylics modelling paste. Now I'm just going to create and play some soothing music over the top, but I will show the things I'm using to the camera. So I think I want some over here. I am going to be using that same paste to adhere my cogs and things. I definitely want one of these leaves at the top here, maybe even two. These are some clay embellishments that I made using some air dry clay and some moulds that I got. So I'll think about using some of those. And I've got some owls here that I made using air dry clay. I think an owl would look quite nice on here, just there. Maybe some of these embellishments. Okay, one thing I need to do now is I need to create a like a creamy colour. I want to use a creamy colour. So I've got a pot here, and I'm going to add some of my white gesso. And I want a tiny drop of brown paint, so I'm just going to use my burnt umber acrylic paint, and I'm going to mix that together. I just wanted this, like a creamy, not white but cream, slightly warmer than white. I like that. If I add another, oh yeah, no, that's fine. I was going to say I might add some more brown, but adding more colour, I'm always frightened that it's going to make it too dark. But that's not bad at all. So I'm going to give this another coat using this cream, and then I will heat set it. Okay, so this one's going to be very simple compared to some of the other mixed media crafts that I've been doing. I don't know if you're going to see this before you see those or after. I think I'll do this. It's an autumn one, so I have to go out in autumn. I'm recording this in April. This is my Nouveau Mousse, and this is embellishment mousse, and this is the Cosmic Brown. Now, using a makeup sponge, not a makeup sponge, a makeup brush, I am going to highlight the raised areas, and I want it really soft and subtle. And I'm not looking for lots of different colours like I do in my other mixed media crafts. I want this one to be really, because of the golds and the creams and the browns, there's so much the browns, the cream and the gold is my colour for autumn 2021. So I want this to kind of fit in with that. And by using this this makeup brush, it makes it really soft. Around the edges, I'm going to go slightly more heavy-handed, or should I say heavy-fingered. Use my finger and to blend it inwards. And go in and add some deeper highlights to the items I want to be highlighted more vibrantly. You just squirt some water into this, one little bit of water. And I think, crafters, I'm going to call this done. I think I might add a stem of some description up here. I need to put my hot glue gun on. Got some of these, and I could glue one of those on. So I think that's probably what I'll do. I'll paint it white and hot glue that on, so you'll see that towards the end. Okay everybody, there we go, it's all done. very minimal in regards to the paint effects, but I wanted it just to be the creams, the white and the gold, to go with my theme for 2021. So there we go. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.